Good morning, dear students. I hope you are all well and fine. Today, we are going to start our new chapter 26, Defense Officer Wahida. This chapter is about a woman who made her dreams true with her willpower and hard work. Let's know about her. Defense Officer Wahida. Full name Wahida Rizvi. Date of birth 11 March 1972. Birthplace Thana Mandi, Rajouri in Jammu and Kashmir. Her father's name Gulzar Ahmad. Her mother's name Hazara Kesar. Her educational qualification MBBS. Her designation Lieutenant Commander in Indian Navy. At present, Wahida is teaching microbiology at Armed Forces Medical College in Pune. Wahida Prism is the first woman to lead a parade. Wahida served on naval ship INS Amba for 19 months. She worked as doctor. Wahida leaded parade successfully and she is the first woman to lead a parade. Do you recognize him? Yes, he is Defense Minister of India, Mr. Rajnath Singh. There are three wings of Indian Defense Services. Here are logos and uniforms. First, Indian Army. Second, the Indian Air Force. Third, Indian Navy. An army uses tanks during wartime, as you see in the picture. An Air Force uses fighter plane during war. Navy uses submarine during war, as you see in this picture. Now it's practice time. Fill in the blanks. First, Wahida was born at Dash in Rajouri. Answer is Thana Mandi. Second, Wahida was the Dash woman to lead a parade. Answer is first. Third, Wahida worked on naval ship as Dash. Answer is doctor. Fourth, Dash commands are given in parade. Answer is 36. Fifth, there are Dash wings of Indian Defense Services. And the answer is 3. Sixth, Dash is the Defense Minister of India at this time. And answer is Mr. Rajnath Singh. होप आज का कंटेंट आप लोगों को अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आया होगा। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।